Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about just the general stock market. Over the past week, we've seen a bunch of sell-off. The S&P has sold off about 3%, which is billions of dollars of market cap just gone. So we're going to be talking about what this means and answering that main question of like, should you start buying these dips or should you hold off? And just giving you guys honestly my insight on it and my approach, my mentality behind it. So, I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button and subscribe. It means the world to me. If you guys want to learn more about trading and investing in the market, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. It's our private community where we have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat. We have a final exam. It's like a college class. You guys can get 51% off by using code TRADER. So check it out. You won't regret it. And let's jump into this here. So over the past week, we've seen a bunch of sell-off, right? 3% from the S&P. The technology stocks have been getting obliterated. We saw companies like NVIDIA sell off. Palantir sold off for like 20% in the past week. So what is going on? One, the market is just selling off. It's normal. It's common. On average, we have a market correction where the general market sells off 10%. So it's not classified as a crash where it sells off 20%. It's just a correction. This happens on average every 1 to 2 years. So sell-off is normal. Sell-off is healthy. And what it brings is opportunity. Opportunity to buy stocks, ETFs, companies you believe in at a cheaper and more affordable price. So that's one thing that I look forward to. Another thing, let me show you guys this chart right here. This chart shows the crash, and then it shows 1 year after a crash. So if we do end up going into a recession or a crash, buy those dips. That chart shows you that almost every single crash within 1 year, the market has recovered, and it's like almost fully recovered. Then after 5 years, obviously we're up handsomely, 10 years, even more. So the biggest thing, don't be fearful of sell-off. Greet it at the door, give it a handshake and let it in because it will make you more money. Over the past 5 years, we've seen a bunch of growth. The S&P 500 is up over 100% in 5 years, which on average, it has a return rate of about 10%. So that's outperforming the average. So I do think a little slowdown, a little reset would be very normal, if not very, very healthy. Now, for those of you that are watching and you're like, Carter, during this time, I have cash, I want to invest, what should I do? So there's a couple of things. Cash is king. So during recessions, just hold some cash, right? During times of volatility, what I would recommend doing is anytime the general market, so like the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, NASDAQ, sells off more than 6% in a given week, double what you normally will put in. So if normally you put in $100, put in $200. What this does is there's actually been a lot of data on this, is it jumps your average return rate with the S&P 500 from about 10% to about 22% if you buy more during these dips. Another thing you guys can do is focus on more dividend stocks. Dividend stocks during times of recession don't fall as much because people are less likely to sell a stock that's paying them cash flow. Another thing you guys can do is focus on precious metals. So like an ETF like GLD, which is heavily invested into gold, will continue to perform well because gold historically has risen during times of recession or hardship. So focus on those. Focus on you can even focus on bonds. Just focus on keeping cash, preserving it, and not becoming fearful of sell-off or a crash in the market. So that's my rant. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you want to learn more, check out our school. If you want to sign up with the broker I use, it's Moo. I'll put a link to them down below. You guys can get up to 20 free stock. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm just promoting everything all in one. So check all that out. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Take care, everybody.